this quick recording on a Tuesday because BTC is making some moves as we discussed. So here we have the weekly chart, and the main level is here at 65. I'd say it goes up to 65,500 as we discussed in our channels. So the weekly candle closed pretty well above 60k, which I'm really happy with, but until this area turns to support, we can expect another move down to here. Okay, but this level would be a big level of interest. So let's go down to the daily. As we can see already, this area is giving us a rejection where I would expect some type of a bounce. Yeah. And if we look at DXY at the same time, it bounced, and now it will probably make a higher low and come up to here, which DXY could pull back with BTC bouncing and then bounce again on the US session, come up to here, which would bring another rejection on the lower time frame on Bitcoin, something like this I'm looking at. But let's switch to another chart, to perpetual contract, where you see we have the local fibs and we had these liquidity zones, okay, and then we had this golden pocket 618 fib from the last move down. Okay, it's a much cleaner chart to have a perception. So as long as this holds as support, I would expect a bounce with DXY going down, okay, and BTC going slowly up. So people shorted here. This was pretty obvious, okay, and they have stops now around this area. So price going up, clearing those stops, making a swing failure pattern, and then going down is an option, okay. Then if this happens, I will short, and I will look as this as a 1 2 3, and then let's say this would be my TP zone. But if it just falls through, I would expect the last charts 51k area to be a major area of interest here. Okay, so in retrospective, we have Toll2, which is also made a move. That means the altcoins market, and now it's slowly pulling back. Okay, if it loses the support, alts will dump hard. Okay, and then we have the dominance. Which is kind of in a chop mode, okay, which we posted today, and that's interesting. Now let's see something what's happening here. This is in a clear uptrend. We have a gap there that's open. You see how in the gap here, but this is something more of a traditional markets look. So yeah, all in all, I'm thinking that BTC is doing this type. Then bullish side, if 65.5 area, this can turn to support. Like if it's not an SFP, if we just get a strong candle, retest, holds, then I will be looking this as an extended third wave going up into this zone, and I will look for long scalps into this area during today's US session. Okay, so that's like a short plan of what I'm looking at, how is it feeling, what is going to, and then we will continue on the tonight stream with chatting and hanging out if you can attend. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great week ahead.